Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the problem is that the Windows 10 or Windows 11 stuck on the spinning dots screen and not booting up. Don't worry, this video will show you a quick and a permanent fix to get your PC running again. So follow these simple steps. First step is that force restart your PC by holding the power button for 10 seconds. After that, turn it on again and interrupt the boot 3 times to enter advanced options. And the third step is that go to the troubleshoot, advanced options and startup repairs. If it doesn't work, open the command prompt, and if you don't know where you will find the command prompt, so when it's just going on the troubleshoot and just going to advanced options, you just find the option of a command prompt. So just click it and just paste that prompts. If you don't have an access to paste that prompt, you just copy that prompt and then write something in the notepad, and just doing that you just type the prompts on that screen and just type enter. So after you restart your PC, it should be boot normally. So these methods work for Windows 10 and Windows 11. User facing spinning dots loading forever, boot stuck or startup freeze issues. So that's why it just has follow all the steps to fix the issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.